Hey guys, come on in because today we're making double chocolate chip cookies. If you're a chocoholic like Mr. Smith is, you will love these. So we'll have him do the taste test because I'm not much on chocolate. Although I do like the cocoa, I just not chocolate candies. All right, first off I have 1 cup of room temperature butter right here going in. Make sure we get all that. And I have 1 cup of white sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar going in. So now we're just going to do a little mixy mix, or a lot of mixy mix, because you gotta get that butter and sugar all incorporated nice and creamy. Guys, and if you like the videos, there's a hype button now down there. I saw it last week and before that, but I tried to find it earlier and I couldn't find it. So if you find a hype button, hype me up. That gives points. So maybe they will show us out to more people. We don't want to keep Gate here. We want everybody to see us. And we appreciate you all, honestly. We just love you all. Love the comments. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. We're all about opening up our life too, so we're not going to hide stuff. If you guys want to ask questions, or if you want to know how we met or anything, go back and see the Let's Talk video. That tells you how we met and all that. So that'd be our love story. Billy's been hard at work. See that tray back there? We're not finished with it. That's just being burned in. We still have to stain it. So maybe in the middle of this video he can do that and we can show you the rest of it. And I don't know if you can see this. See what's on there. But there's a hammer over there, a microphone, a saw blade, and a Harley Davidson. And it says Billy's Toys. So
all the things I like.
I should have put some candy on there too. That would be.
Oh yeah. Well, you can put some real candy on.
Yeah, but that wouldn't have been a toy though.
It's fun making stuff.
Yeah, we team up on them. And we get them looking decent.
She critiques me.
There's a splinter. We can't have that.
Need some sanding.
So I have my own sanding paper in the house now, and my own sander. So I see something here. You fix it yourself.
Well, you know, a lot of times you're out in the shop, you miss things. So.
Plus, I have better eyes.
Yeah, that's true. I got cataracts.
I had LASIK done probably, I don't know, probably 20 years ago. 15, 20 years ago. Long time.
I need to have cataract surgery.
And then I wore contacts because when I wore glasses, my left lens was just so thick. I always wanted like the rimless glasses, the cool ones. Couldn't wear them, they said, because my lenses were too thick. So I had LASIK done, and all I've ever had to have was readers. And I didn't have to have those till like 5 or 6 years later. So hopefully it stays like that. I can tell they're getting a little worse, but you know, I am getting older.
I have to wear blue blockers in church because the lights, the glare off the lights hurt my eyes.
And they have really LED, like,
yeah, they're really
overhead light. I mean, really bright. All right, so now we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Go ahead.
I think I will.
I think you should.
And this is our homemade. This one is the vodka, where I was using the bourbon. I ran out of that. So this one is the vodka. And we're going to put in 2 room temperature eggs.
We need to make some more.
There's one. And 2. Bloop.
Bloop.
I hear your bird hollering. The blue jays, they just holler out there if there's no nuts. So they need some nuts. They're all fussing.
Yeah, they let you know when they want something.
All right, so there's the eggs. So now in this bowl, we're going to put in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And in here I have, and I will write all of the ingredients in the description box below. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. So that's all going in there. And I'm just going to give that a little mixy mix here.
Your birds are saying, Mom, feed me.
Yeah, they ain't giving up yet, are they? If Billy walks outside in the mornings and there's nothing out there, they start squawking. They don't squawk so much at me, they squawk at him. So then I have 3/4 cup of just 100% cacao, the cocoa. Unsweetened cocoa. So that is going in.
Taste and see if it's good.
I have. It's not. Oh, it'll be good. Although I like stuff made with that instead of that old artificial stuff. This is better. All right, and then here I have a half to 1 teaspoon of espresso powder, and I put in a little bit, just a little bit of water to activate that. So I got that all mixed up. So I'm going to pour that in there. That was probably about a teaspoon of water, maybe. Just something to mix it up in. Okay, now all we're going to do is pour in our dry ingredients and get that all mixed up. We'll do half at a time. And then as far as chocolate chips, you use 2 cups of chocolate chips. Now, I have 3 different sizes in here. I have semi-sweet on the bottom, which is the mini ones. And then I have milk chocolate, which are regular chocolate chips. And then I had some dark chocolate, so I was like, well, let's put some dark chocolate on there too. And then them chips are huge. So all 3 different kinds, 3 different sizes.
That ought to be good.
I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees.
I don't know, you got it blocking, so I can't see it's on.
It is. I know I did this one. Okay. So now I'm going to pour in the chocolate chips. And I might need something bigger to stir. No, we got it. We're just going to stir those in. Now, if you want nuts in them, this is the time to put the nuts in there too. So, I'm not putting any nuts.
You should. We're all nutty around here.
You ate them all because you're nuts.
I know.
Now, I've been eating candy corn with peanuts. So awesome. If you guys haven't tried that, oh, this time of year, I want it. October and November, I'm like, oh, candy corn and just regular peanuts. Tastes like a payday. 2 nuts to 1 candy corn. That's the ratio. Oh, man, you know what I forgot?
What'd you forget?
My clapper board. We'll get it on that next part. I was thinking about it earlier, too. I was like, oh, don't forget that. I went to crochet class today.
Did you learn a new stitch?
I'll show you when I get done with this. I get these in the oven. I'll show you what I made today. It's nothing for you guys, probably some of you that are crocheters, but you know, I'm just learning. And I really didn't want to learn a whole lot, but I did want to learn this granny square and what I did on those blankets. So I'm happy with what I'm learning.
A granny doing granny squares.
And I took pumpkin bread with cream cheese icing today. They loved it.
Well, I mean, what's not to love? It was good.
Hi, Linda, if you're watching. Hi, Regina, if you're watching. Okay, so this is my large cookie scoop. And I'm just going to scoop them right on there. I'm not chewing the dough, so we'll see what happens. I usually don't, unless it specifically says to. Like in a soft sugar cookie or something, the cutouts, you have to chill the dough on that mostly. But I did have a recipe where you don't have to chill the dough. I haven't tried that one yet, but I'm going to try it. And it's for cutouts. So we're going to try that one day. All right. 6 of them on here going in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And we'll be right back. All right, guys. These was in the oven for 15 minutes because they was a big cookie, okay? Double chocolate chip cookie. I'm going to let Billy taste it because I'm not much on chocolate. Now, I would probably like these, but I'm not trying it yet. And with him, he doesn't like to eat chocolate after what time? 4. Because it keeps him awake. So he's just going to take one bite. Maybe we'll get the Billy Wiggle. Maybe we won't. We'll see.
Smells good.
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
I hear it crunchy around the edges. Is it soft on the inside?
Oh, that's good.
Oh, I think he might eat some.
Those different chocolates and that espresso, very good.
All right.
You did great.
Hey, I didn't get a wiggle. You might have a wiggle for him.
Hey.
The shiver. All right, guys. And the board is stained in between. Look at that. The power of cameras. All right, guys. Don't forget to try and remember to do that hype. If you can find it, it's just a button underneath there. It's on the phone. You can see it, but you can't do it on TV. And we love you all. I was trying to think of what else I was going to say, and I forgot. I don't never write stuff down. Although I did write down why. See, I forgot. Okay, what has more lives than a cat?
I give up. What has more lives than a cat?
A frog, because he croaks every day.
Ha 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 ha. You're hilarious.
All right, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
peace out, guys.